The innovative lighting Cobra Head LED retrofit or conversion kits may be used to convert Cobra Head outdoor and streetlight fixtures. This video will give you an overview of how quick and easy the conversion process is. Complete, detailed, step-by-step instructions are included with each kit. The retrofit process will take approximately 15 minutes for each fixture. Depending on your specific fixture, you may need to have a hex head driver, a standard screwdriver, a wire stripper, wire nuts, some electrical tape, and some 6-inch cable ties. Turn off the power to the light. Open your Cobra head. Disconnect the wiring to your existing socket. Remove the holding screws or clips, and remove the unit. Place the LED light engine in the lower housing of the light. Secure the safety cable on the light engine to the upper housing of the fixture. Connect the ground wire from the light engine to the upper housing of the fixture. Connect the white wire on the LED light engine to the white wire in the fixture. Do the same for the black wire. Close the Cobra head housing. And you're done. Turn the power on, and now you're saving energy. Please contact the Innovative Lighting Sales Department for a complete list of all the types of fixtures that can be retrofitted. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call at 800-949-4888.